So let's go down to online store. You'll see it's kind of a strange way Shopify sets this up. Online store is one of our sales channels. If you sell on eBay or anywhere else, you're going to have other sales channels like TikTok, for example, listed down here. So the first thing we want to do is scroll down to Visit Theme Store on the bottom right. There are a lot of themes available. This keeps growing as well every time I make a tutorial, but still only 13 free themes. So the paid ones, they can be like $300 usually. And sometimes those are better for load speed and stuff like that. But for a new store, I usually recommend starting off with the free ones. It's very easy to migrate to a new store. You can really build out a second store, and once it's ready, just switch places with the other store. So if you ever decide you want a paid theme, whether that is for faster load speed or any other feature on there, you can always switch sometime further on down the road. It's very easy to do. So for this, because I'm just selling one product, I'm going to go with Origin. I really like this layout for a single product. I'm going to say try theme. It's going to add that theme to our online store now. And then that kicks us back to that little online store sales channel right here. Now you'll notice that right now we still have the Dawn theme. That's the default that it actually comes with. So what you have to do is down here, once this is done loading, we have to click on publish. Now while it's kind of loading right now, I'm going to remove the password in the meantime. So we can click on remove password so that we are able to go in as a guest user on different devices and actually, do some sample purchases for ourselves. Don't remove the password though if you have a well-known domain or a well-known brand and you're worried that some people might go onto your website and see an unfinished website. Because this is a new website right here, I don't have any traffic, I'm not worried about that, and I can remove the password. So now let's go down here. This is done. You can see, let's click on publish and we'll have that theme published up on the top. There we go. We have that ready to go. And if I just click on customize, we'll be able to edit the store.